Have you ever set a goal, only to give up halfway? Don't worry, you're not alone. The problem isn't your determination, it's how you set your goals. Today, we'll dive into the SMART goal setting method, a proven system that turns dreams into achievable realities. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to achieve any goal you set? That's the power of SMART goals. Let's break it down step by step. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. These 5 elements create a framework that makes your goals clear, actionable, and attainable. Now, let's explore each one. A common mistake people make is being too vague. For example, saying, "I want to be healthy." What does that mean? Instead, make it specific. I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, for the next 3 months. Specificity gives you direction. How will you track progress? A measurable goal lets you see how far you've come and how much further you need to go. For instance, I'll save $500 in 3 months is measurable. Every dollar saved brings you closer to your target. While it's great to aim high, your goals should also be realistic. For example, saying, "I'll lose 50 pounds in a month," isn't achievable and sets you up for failure. Instead, aim for a steady and healthy weight loss, like 1 to 2 pounds a week. Does this goal matter to you? A relevant goal aligns with your values and priorities. If your goal doesn't resonate with you, you'll lose motivation quickly. Always ask yourself, why is this important to me? Every goal needs a deadline. Without one, it's easy to procrastinate. For instance, instead of saying, "I'll learn Spanish someday," say, "I'll complete a basic Spanish course in 6 months." Deadlines create urgency. Let's put it all together. Specific, I want to run a 5K. Measurable, I'll train 4 times a week and track my distance. Achievable, I'll start with short runs and gradually increase my stamina. Relevant, running is important to me for better health and stress relief. Time-bound, I'll complete the 5K in 3 months. Now, doesn't that sound achievable and clear? SMART goals work because they provide clarity and a roadmap. They eliminate confusion, help you track progress, and keep you motivated. Instead of getting overwhelmed, you focus on small, actionable steps. Now it's your turn. What goal have you been putting off? Use the SMART framework and start working towards it today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for watching. Remember, success starts with the right goals. See you in the next video.